You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. It is normally the combination of two names, Ava and Len. Therefore, the most common pronunciation in English is Avalyn. Some may pronounce that Avalyn. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know. Let everybody know in the comments, Avalyn or Avalyn. More commonly, Avalyn. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.